Welcome to tzwisdom Perez YouTube channel, the channel of values.
Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am tzwisdom Perez. On my YouTube channel, if this is your first time, this is where I educate, I inform and inspire a lot of young minds, individuals across the world via my YouTube channel and various other social media platforms. So once again, thank you for taking up the time to watch my YouTube video and also visiting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you once more for always checking out my YouTube channel for the latest videos. Thank you for encouragement. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking all the videos. Thank you for sharing, and thank you for always commenting. And like I said on this caption of this video, that a YouTuber, one of you guys, called on me to ask some few questions about Boomplay or BoomLive, and I'm glad she called. So if you're watching this video, I want to say thank you very much, dear, for calling on me. You did not just watch the videos. Even when you had questions, you also went further to call me for clarification. Thank you very much. I'm happy that I was able to answer your questions and you now have a better understanding about the platform. So I would like to dedicate this particular video to you, and I want to also seek your permission too for uploading this video, because our conversation was meant to be private, but after going through our conversation, I realized that there's a lot of knowledge in it that you asked and I was able to answer to, that a lot of people too need to know and be informed of. So I had to create this content for the sake of all those who are also passing through what he also passed. So please permit me to upload this video. All right, thank you so much, dear. So once again, I dedicate this particular video to you for making an effort to reach out to me. So let's go into the details of this video, the questions she asked, and also the answers I gave to her, the truth about Boomplay, which a lot of you are having some misunderstanding about. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
That is, I got your number from YouTube. I watched your video you posted. So,
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. That is, there's something I want to ask about this BoomLive. This BoomLive, I started last week Thursday. So yesterday, making it 1 week. So I don't understand the calculation now. Like, I don't really understand. Is this second week now? How am I going to pay?
Are you an audio host or a video host?
Video host.
And you are sure that you passed the authentication, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
After every end of your live stream per day, do you claim your reward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you finished it. You've completed your 1 week, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, during the period whereby you were doing your live stream to this very day, were you receiving B-stars?
Yes. Because I'm seeing 0.1, but the meaning of that 0.1, please still I don't understand that 0.
That 0.1 is the earnings you are getting per hour.
Okay, then what about that 0.5?
The 0.5 is also the earnings you are getting per hour. That one is just the welcome bonus you are getting.
Okay.
Yes, so now that you're earning 0.1, which means that when you are doing your live stream, you are not receiving B-stars up to 1 million, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So it is when you've received the required amount for a certain earnings that your level of earnings will be upgraded. So since you did not get up to 1 million during your live stream, so since you did not get up to 1 million B-stars during your live stream, you are demoted. You are demoted to 0.1.
That is the last week. This is 1 week.
Yes, that's why if you check your dashboard, you see 7 days.
I got, okay, well, I got up to So I got up to 2 million now in my visa.
No. That is the one that you've gotten from the platform that is in your wallet. They don't calculate that one. They calculate what you are receiving from people or what you gift yourself.
Okay, the 7 days, is that one that they are calculating?
Yes, what you are receiving. If you're not receiving any vistas that will warrant you to stay at a certain level or for you to upgrade your level to the next level, that will demote your level. Yes. So you have to ensure that when you're doing your live stream, you have to be receiving vistas. Like now, for you to cross to $0.3 per hour, you must have up to 1 million that you're receiving from people within 7 days.
But I can gift myself now.
Yes, you can gift yourself. You can gift yourself. That's the good aspect of BoomLive, unlike other platforms.
Yes, what about that vista I've already accumulated?
Yes, that one you've accumulated is in your wallet already. So anytime you've reached 2.5 million, which is $10, you can withdraw it.
So now, okay, they'll calculate this my weekly ending and plus the vista.
No. They only calculate what you are receiving from people. If people are sending you gifts, that's why if you check your dashboard, there is a section there. Below that digit of numbers, there's 7 days. That place I wrote 7 days is what they are calculating.
Okay.
That is what they are calculating. So if you receive, if somebody gift you a gift now, it will be calculated there, to be adding up there.
Okay, I understand it now.
So,
am I supposed to go high? I'm saying 0.1. Okay, they downgraded it to 0.1.
Yes, because you don't get up to 1 million. How wish you got up to 1 million vistas from people sending to you now? They would have kept you at 0.3 instead of 0.1.
I do not know. But if I do it now, I can see it about it.
Yeah, if you're able to gift yourself up to the 1 million vistas, they'll push you to 0.3. So every level has its requirement for you to reach.
But please be making more videos though, because I don't know what my agency is, and the person that referred me, nobody is helping me. I didn't know all of this. If not, I would have focused on that weekly instead of focusing on the other vista.
Okay, see what will happen there. If you check my YouTube channel, I dropped my link to my Telegram channel. You can do that. You can also shout me up too, so I can add you up to the WhatsApp group too.
Okay, sir. I thought you'll add my YouTube weight and the other vista together to trade.
Okay, my dear. Currently, now you're doing video. Boomplay does not calculate weekly wages for videos to pay them bonuses. The bonus is meant for the audio host. Yes, at the end, you're talking about that one whereby you hit a target at the end of the week and they pay you a bonus on Monday, isn't it?
Yes.
And that one is for audio host, not for video host.
Then what would not happen to that my sister that I've already accumulated? Because
that one you've accumulated now. Nobody will touch it unless you choose to withdraw it anytime.
And it is up to $10.
Yes, if it's up to $10, though you have to make it up to you have to make it up to $11 because there will be a charge due to deductions for transaction fee. So you have to make it $11. So when you're withdrawing your $10, they will take their charge.
So now if I'm gifting myself, it is going to that my vista.
Yes, it will be going to that your vista wallet.
Okay.
So $10 is 2.5 million vistas. For you to reach $10, it's 2.5 million.
I didn't know all of this. I think I was not even focused on that. I thought we started with that. I have to accommodate. I didn't even know that we could do things. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Seems like I'll do a short video regarding this to address it.
Yes, sir.
No, thanks for calling. I appreciate it.
Okay.
So you can just check my YouTube for the Telegram link. So you can join us. Okay, my name is tzwisdom. Calculate at tzwisdom.
Okay, sir.
You can chat me on WhatsApp to check. Add it to the WhatsApp as well.
Okay, I will.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Thank you.